pure poison, this popular product harms the body the most. This information is noteworthy, because few people realize that such a product, which has been recently advertised and promoted everywhere, is actually very unhealthy. Coconut oil is considered pure poison. And all because it is extremely saturated with fat. Over the past few years, many companies have begun to replace them with ingredients of animal origin. All because this product is cheap, and therefore profitable. It spread very quickly to the masses. For example, in 2015, $229 million worth of coconut oil was sold in America. An American scientist has prepared a report on the dangers of oil and its use in food. Just imagine, the concentration of harmful cholesterol or saturated fat in it is 80%. For you to understand, in pork fat this element is half as much. The body does not need cholesterol in such quantities at all if you do not want to get cardiovascular disease. So, many promote the product and say that it is good for health, but experts and doctors assure us that they are simply misleading. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.